Good afternoon, everyone. Adam here, Kinion Classic Cars, Clarence, Iowa. This afternoon, we're doing a walk around and a drive video for you on a beautiful 1970 Plymouth Roadrunner. This car has been completely nut and bolt restored. Spare tire jack, all the tools, jack instructions. I'm telling you what, there's probably not a nicer 70 Roadrunner in the country. I'm telling you, this car is absolutely beautiful. It's finished in what they call yellow gold. Numbers matching 383 under the hood. Automatic transmission. Power steering. Power brakes. Factory air conditioning. What an absolute splendid car. And when you open the doors, look at the interior. Yeah, green interior, green vinyl top. This car, like I say, 13.5 miles on the odometer since this car was restored. Absolutely splendid. The interior, the sail panels, the headliner, the package tray, the visors, everything is just absolutely gorgeous. The clock works, the signals work, the air works, the horn works, dash lights, radio. What an absolute splendid car. Laser straight body. The paint is just incredible. Turn signals, tail lights, license plate light, side markers, Goodyear Polyglass F70 15 tires, rally wheels. Check out the body lines on this car. Check out the gaps. You do not find cars like this. This car is one in a million. I mean, it just is. Check out the under the hood. Like I said, power steering, power brakes, factory air conditioning. They really don't get any better. They don't get any nicer. They don't get any sharper. Yeah, the high impact colors are nice as well, but I'm telling you, what a car. If you don't like attention when you go to car shows and take this car places, you probably shouldn't buy it, because I took this car to one place, I hauled it over to a local car show, and people were just all over this car. The glass on the car is all brand new. The stainless trim, the bright work, the door handles. Just look how nice that all the trim is on this car. The gentleman who built this car didn't cut any corners. This is a spectacular build. The dash is perfect. The seats are perfect. The interior. I'm going to show you just a little bit of the underneath of it. Look at it. I mean, just would you look at that? Just look at it. Let's take a look at it. This car's 1099, and there's a reason why. I mean, just admire it, look at it, come touch it, feel it if you like to do that. There's a difference in cars, everybody. Yes, you can go buy a $70,000 Roadrunner. You can go buy an $80,000 Roadrunner. Or you can come here, buy the best Roadrunner possible for $1099. I mean, I don't know about you, but if I'm gonna spend 70 or 80, I'm gonna spend 1099, and I'm gonna get this bad boy. 13.5 miles on it. And yes, you see this tape here. I'm sure this gentleman had this tape there, so this hood release here didn't, if somebody didn't do this and put it down, they wouldn't take the paint off the radiator support. When this car rolled off the trailer a few weeks ago when I got it, I was just like, holy shit. Just absolutely blew me away. Look at them doors shut. There's no bubbles, there's no blisters, there's no nothing, folks. You want the best one? Set your satchel down right on top of this one, because here it is. You're not getting a better one. Look at them lines, look at them gaps. Say all the glass is perfect. The only thing I had to do to this car when it came in is do a couple little adjustments on the carburetor, you know, I mean, that's it. And it might need just a little bit of fine tuning yet, you know. It's got 13 miles on it. It doesn't have 3,000 miles or 1,500 miles. It's got 13 miles on it. So if you're ready to go for a ride, so am I. Such an awesome car. It's honestly, it's an honor and a privilege to be able to buy these cars and have these cars that are this nice. Program, run 75 mile an hour right up the highway. Drives like a dream. Everything on this car is new. All the suspension's new. I mean, everything. Stops good. I think I'll be all right. It says we got 1/8 of a tank, so check out this car. Wow. What a beautiful ride. '70 Plymouth Roadrunner. Restored. You've seen the pictures, you've seen the video. Now all you have to do is go to your bank, call me up, I'll give you my wiring instructions, and you can make this car yours. I'm not gonna spin the tires on this car, not even gonna risk chipping the paint. I see I need to fix on this car is the tack. The tack was working just fine, and now it decided it wasn't going to work, so no big deal. Every time you build a car, there's always going to be a couple small little things you have to address, so give us a call, 563-452-2450, KinionAuto.com.